Hey my YouTube friends and family, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some southern style chicken salad. Alright, so if you're new on my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Alright, to my returning subscribers, welcome back. I appreciate every single one of you for taking the time out of your day to click on my video. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So right here I have 3 large chicken breasts. I am going to take the skin off and then I am going to debone. Alright, otherwise if you don't want to go through the deboning process, you can just put it in a pot, boil it, and then you can shred it from there. But it's just pretty simple to debone. You just cut the meat off and you can save that other part to like put in your soup or stew. Alright, so after debone, we're just going to rinse it with some vinegar and then we're going to pat dry and season. So right here I'm just going to add some olive oil and then I'm going to apply a moderate amount of seasoning. And when you do this process, when you're making your salad, you don't have to add any other seasoning because the chicken is well seasoned. Okay, so I just sprinkled on a moderate amount of cayenne powder, and then I'm gonna add about a 1/4 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning and about a 1/4 teaspoon of Creole seasoning. We're just gonna rub that in and then we're gonna do the same to the other side. So another way that you can do your chicken is just put it in a pot with some water or some chicken stock and boil it, and then you can just go ahead and shred it in your processor or with your hands. All right, but when you do it this way, the chicken gets to hold the flavor in your chicken salad. All right, so if you do it the other way where you boil it, then you would have to season your chicken salad to add some flavor to it, but this way you don't have to. All right, so we're just gonna add them, just slightly grease our pan, put them in there, and then put them in the oven to cook. So while my chicken is cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and mince my celery. You can cut them in chunks if you want, but I don't want to bite into big chunks, so I am going to mince them. Alright, and I'm also going to do the same to my onions because I don't like big chunks of onions. So I'm going to mince my onion as fine as possible with my knife. If you have a food processor, you can just go ahead, throw everything in there, your chicken, your celery, your onions, everything, and just mince them, but I'm gonna be using my hands. So right here I have my fresh hard-boiled egg. I have a short video coming up. I don't know which one I'm going to post first, if I'm going to post the salad or the hard-boiled egg, just showing you guys how to get the perfect hard-boiled egg. So look out for that video coming up. It's under 1 minute and it's very informative. All right, so now I am going to just cut them in my desired size. You can cut them in chunks as I said before, or if you want them chopped finely, go ahead, feel free, whatever your heart desire, go ahead and do that. I don't eat eggs, so I'm going to be making 2 separate batch. So now for the chicken. As I said before, whatever your heart's desire. All right, if you want them really chunky, if you want them minced, go ahead, throw them in your processor or chop them finely, but I'm just gonna do mine semi chunky. All right, so the chicken is now ready and we're gonna make our salad. Remember, I'm doing 2 separate batches, so I'm just gonna show you once, and I'm just gonna do the ones with the egg. Alright, so we're just gonna add our eggs. We're just gonna dump everything in this bowl and then we're gonna add our other ingredients. So now I am just going in with some onions and some celery, and I'm also gonna add some sugar. It's a visual tutorial, but I also put the measurement up on the screen for you guys of the amount that I'm using, and I just added my sweet relish, and now I'm gonna add some mayo. And when it comes to mayo, it's up to you. Go ahead and add the amount that you want. If you like a lot or if you want to go light on the mayo, just go ahead and do you. All right, I'm just gonna sprinkle on some black pepper and then we're gonna mix it up. I'm also gonna add some parsley just for decoration purposes. Yeah, just to add some color to the salad, we're going to add some parsley. So there's no eggs in this one, and then we have the other one. The larger bowl has eggs. All right. I had mine with a dinner roll from Sam's Club. You know those delicious dinner rolls that you get in Sam's Club. I made a huge sandwich, and trust me, it was delicious. All right, so let me know in the comment section if you try this, and if you love it, just let me know in the comment section. All right, thank you so much for watching, and if you're here and you still haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and join the family. All right, bye.